Hi, this is Raghavendra, your English teacher. Today the topic for 10th class is I will do it. First unit C reading. The writer of the topic is Sudha Murthy, wife of Narayan Murthy. Here we have the main character in the lesson is Narayan Murthy. He was very short and he was very short. When he was studying in high school session, he was very intelligent. His friends and seniors also used to ask him very doubts in maths and physics also. When somebody asked him a doubt, there is a spark in his face. That means he is very interested in doing physics and maths very interestingly. So he is very intelligent in those subjects. So that his seniors and friends used to ask him any doubt. In fact, he could clarify that doubt in a fraction of seconds, more than the speed of a light. Okay. One day, after completing his intermediate study, he attended IIT exam. It was a dream for any intelligent student to study in some IIT. IIT means Indian Institute of Technology. Completing the engineering studies for higher studies. So it is a dream for any type of intelligent or clever student. Okay. He attempted the test. He passed in a high rank. After getting the result, he was very happy, and one day, on the day of result, in the evening time, he went to his father. He said in his words, "Anna, I have passed the exam with a high rank." So his father was an English high school teacher and an avid reader of English literature in those days. In those days, he is having very grip or command on the subject of English. So here he was reading a newspaper on the day while his son was telling some about his dream to study IIT. While he was studying the newspaper, he lifted his head and said, "Dear son, I am unable to study. I am unable to make you to study for IIT, but you can study by staying at Mysore as study as what you can." Here he says his financial condition to his clever son with a burden heart, because to say no to his clever son, he is feeling very sad about his condition. That means he is a salaried person. He has 5 daughters and 3 sons to getting educated and married off. So here he is telling the fact of his financial condition to his intelligent son, where the particular Narayan Murthy is very sensitive. So after his father said no to his study dream, he did not say anything. He did not even utter a single word. That means it shows his attitude that his motto is not to hurt anyone. He never wants to hurt anyone. Okay. He did not utter any word. Then he went inside very silently. He is just one step away for his fondest hope. After that, he completed his studies, higher studies, and he built a team of carers along with him. And he built a team. And maybe on the day while his friends were leaving to Madras for IIT, somebody identified him at the station. He stood a bit far to the group of friends, and somebody noticed him and said, "You should have made it." That means they also wanted him to come and join in the IIT. But he did not say anything to his friends. Maybe he is following the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita. He might not know about that. That is, following the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita is your best friend is yourself, your worst enemy is yourself. If you think in a positive manner, we can develop. That is our attitude is our best friend. If you think in a worst manner, you become in the future as a worst candidate. So this is what the philosophy said by Bhagavad Gita by Lord Sri Krishna. He might not know about that. He is following the point. And after that, he built a team of intelligent people just like him, and he started a company named Infosys, and he is then the pioneer of software industry in India. He is the pioneer. Pioneer means somebody who starts for the first time in a field or in a profession, somebody who does for the first time. So he may be the first candidate to start the software wave in India. From these onwards, he developed the company in rapid manner, and he proved that as a son of high school teacher, an ordinary high school teacher, it is possible that to earn the wealth or money very legally and ethically without following ethics. He did not hurt anyone. So he proved that an ordinary English teacher's son can do something when his attitude is very strong. So his motto is finally powered by intellect and driven by values. Who should be powerful by our intelligence? Our intelligence or cleverness makes us very powerful, and the values should drive you in a good and positive manner towards your future. Okay, this is what Narayan Murthy, his full name is Nagavara Ramarao Narayan Murthy. Okay, this is what the brief amount of the lesson I will do it. You read the lesson in textbook and get understand everything. Okay, thank you.